The visual appearance of millions of attractive, well-maintained properties is often let down by a dirty or moss-covered roof. Until recently, the only way to keep a roof clean was by the potentially damaging and dangerous process of pressure cleaning while standing on the tiles. Although effective, if this type of work is not carried out by fully experienced professional contractors, it can result in broken tiles, leaks, and discoloration of the roof. The advanced BioWash roof cleaning system from SmartSeal is a unique 5-step process that will effectively clean and transform your roof from ground or gutter level without pressure washing or standing on the tiles. Step 1 is to sheet up and protect surrounding areas, vegetation, and downpipes. Step 2 is to wet the roof with water before applying BioWash surface cleaner. Depending on the roof's condition, over the next few hours, additional applications of BioWash surface cleaner are applied. During this period, the roof is kept damp at all times. This ensures the powerful cleaner, which contains a formulation of 4 active ingredients, is alive and working. This is key to effective roof cleaning, ensuring a dramatic visual transformation. Step 3 is to rinse off and remove any dislodged debris from the roof. Step 4 is the application of BioWash Surface Protector. This contains a powerful combination of active biocides, which help prevent the regrowth of lichens, algae, or moss. If at this stage any white or black lichens are still visible on the roof, another application of BioWash Surface Cleaner followed by BioWash Surface Protector would be applied. Step 5 completes the process and involves the cleaning out of gutters, washing down of walls, windows and surrounding areas of vegetation, and the removal of ground sheets, leaving your home neat and tidy. Over the next few weeks, the visual appearance of your roof will continue to improve, as any remaining lichens or moss die off and gradually disappear, leaving your roof looking amazing and protected against regrowth.